Hello guys, it's Alicia here again, and I am back to show you guys how to make a super awesome face mask. So we are only going to be using two ingredients today, one being bentonite clay and the other being cacao powder. And for some of you who do not know what cacao powder is, it is pretty much a bean that they grind down into a powder form that provides pretty much super awesome benefits. It's considered a superfood. It's packed full of magnesium and iron as well as antioxidants. And what this is gonna do to our face is gonna help with skin damage, it's gonna help clear our complexion, and it's also gonna help get rid of blemishes. So with the benefits of cacao powder, combined with bentonite clay, which is super awesome at detoxifying your skin, we are going to make a face mask to pretty much get the best skin for 2019. So please stay tuned while I show you how to make this mask. So first, grab your foundation brush or your mask brush. Then mix half a tablespoon of cacao powder. Then add another half a tablespoon of bentonite clay. And just look how wonderful those colors look together. Then you're going to gradually add water to the mixture until you achieve a consistency that you prefer. And also don't forget to use a plastic spoon as metal reacts with bentonite clay. And here you can see I clearly needed more water, so I added more. And look how wonderful this mixture looks. It literally looks like brownie batter or like chocolate cake batter. And now we're gonna start applying this mask to our face. And just look how smooth it applies onto the face. And you're going to want to avoid around the eyes and your eyebrows, because if you apply it on your eyebrows, it feels super itchy. And here's just a close-up of how the mask looks. And voila, we are done. So we're just going to let the mask dry and then rinse it off with warm water. And I had a lot of the mask left over, so I just applied some to my aunt's face. And we are done. And this is what the mask looks like when it's dry. And we are officially done doing this mask. My face is a little bit red just because the bentonite clay, once it's dry, it really has a pulling effect on the skin. And this is what my skin is looking like. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and stay tuned for the next video.